Did you know there is a plant that tastes like gasoline? It's called Nasturtium, and it grows from these wrinkled, rigid seeds that kind of look like brains. The growing difficulty is easy. Just slightly bury the seeds, give it generous watering, and you're good to go. Once the nasturtium seeds sprout, they grow fast and take off.